1. Independent thinking. Millionaires have a unique perspective. It's not only about money, it's about everything. Millionaires use the time and energy that everyone else spends trying to fit in by forging their own path. People who desire to be affluent should think in a way that will help them achieve that goal, because thoughts influence actions. Independent thought does not imply doing the polar opposite of what the rest of the world is doing. Rather, it entails having the confidence to pursue your passions. The moral of the story is to go your own way. Allow your achievement to propel you to financial riches rather than the other way around. 2. Vision. Millionaires are visionaries who have an optimistic outlook on life. To put it another way, wealthy individuals have huge ambitions and believe they will be realized. As a result, those seeking money should establish lofty goals and not be afraid to venture into unfamiliar area. Having a vision gives you a sense of direction and purpose. Your vision will guide you as you set your short and long-term objectives and make decisions along the way. Everything changes when you understand your own unique motivations. A vision should be clear, simple, and important to you. It should be something you truly believe in. 3. Expertise. Successful people concentrate on their areas of strength. To compensate their lesser skills, millionaires frequently form partnerships with others. Having a diverse skill set allows you to develop as a person while also allowing you to stand out from the crowd. You'll develop a network, learn time management, and improve your interpersonal skills. These abilities can only be learned via experience. No school or teacher can teach them. 4. Passion. Money is a byproduct of something I enjoy doing very much. Says Warren Buffett, you will have the discipline to work hard every day if you enjoy your work. People who work with money on a regular basis, such as bankers, enjoy making new deals and persuading others to finish a transaction. However, finding your dream job and becoming a millionaire both require time. Even the wealthiest millionaires, according to Entrepreneur, needed an average of 8 years to earn their first million. 5. Many people fail miserably along the road. So, if you want to be wealthy, quit doing things you don't like and start doing things you like. If you're not sure what you like, try a few different things and keep trying until you find it. 6. Investment. Millionaires are willing to make sacrifices in terms of both time and money in order to attain their objectives. They are willing to take a chance now in order to achieve something bigger in the future. Investing can take the form of stock purchases or the startup of a business. Either way, it is a step toward attaining significant financial gains. 7. Salesmanship. Millionaires are continuously presenting and persuading others to believe in their ideas. Critics and naysayers have little effect on good salespeople. To put it another way, they don't accept no for an answer. Millionaires are also socially adept. To sell your idea, you must be able to interact with others. Unlike the stereotype of salespeople, millionaires credit honesty as a key role in their success. Be an honest seller and work on your social skills if you want to be a millionaire. For most people, being a millionaire is not a goal that can be accomplished immediately. Many of the world's wealthiest people have amassed their fortunes over many years by making wise but often risky decisions, putting their abilities to the greatest possible use, and tenaciously pursuing their goals. If there's one thing you can learn about millionaires, it's that their wealth isn't always what sets them apart from the rest of the world. What they did to get those millions that really stands out.